Hi there, welcome to Game Day. So it is day 12 of the Daily Red Heart Pattern series, and it just happens to be Super Bowl Sunday. So I thought, what a perfect day to do team colors and, sports related stuff. So we're going to start right off with the Sporty Crochet Poncho. So this is perfect for game day, no matter what sport you're talking about, as long as it's a chillier weather sport. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we'll take a look at how it's put together. This says, cheer for your team with a crochet poncho featuring Red Heart Team Spirit. It's almost game time, so let's make this bold crochet poncho to show your support. Choose team colors from popular combinations of self-striping shades curated for the Red Heart Team Spirit collection. Whether supporting a professional team or an amateur group, this peppy poncho makes a great gift for the sports fan in your life. So that is pretty cool. So it looks like they've got these different yarns, self-striping yarns for different, probably common team colors. And one thing that I really like about this is these are the team colors for the school where I work. So that's kind of fun. Go Sabres. All right, let's see what we have next. Okay, our next pattern is called the Team Colors Crochet Blanket. And this features Red Heart Heat Wave, which is heat generating yarn. Okay, these don't really look like any team colors that I would recognize, but I could see where you could substitute any colors you wanted in this blanket. Okay, I really am digging this stitch. I think that's a really nice stitch, and the fringe is nice too. This says this sporty crochet blanket will help keep you warm in the stands all season long, featuring a solid background with a colorful set of stripes and Red Heart Heat Wave. You can easily swap out shades to customize the perfect throw for your cheering section. I just kind of want to take a look at the pattern. Let's download that and see what it looks like. Okay, I don't think it's going to really show us too much more. It looks like the same pictures that we've already seen, but it does say that the skill level for this blanket is easy. I'd be very curious to see what colors the Red Heart Heat Wave comes in. That is what I'd be interested to see. All right, let's jump back to our next pattern. Okay, I love this one. This one is called the Red Heart Game Day Stadium Throw. And yeah, I just have to open it up and show you. I really like how this one is put together. Do you see all the triangles? So this says, here's the perfect throw for the sports enthusiast. It's perfect for home relaxing, warmth at the game, or just decorating the college dorm. So I really like how this looks. And I have to open the pattern to see how it's put together because I see all of these different triangles and it's got me curious. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, yes, so it says here you have to make 24 triangles. I'm really liking it. And they almost look like a granny stripe in these triangles. But I really like this a lot. So again, listed as a skill level of easy, so it shouldn't be too hard or difficult. But I really think it's interesting how it's put together. Really like that a lot. I don't see triangles getting put together much. It's usually squares or hexagons, even some octagons, but it's very rare for me to notice triangles. So I really like that. That's pretty interesting. Okay, our next one is just kind of a funny little pattern, and this is for the Team Jersey Bottle Koozie. Isn't that funny? They look just like football jerseys. I think they're really fun. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. We can see if there's any other pictures. Okay, looks like it's just this one picture. Celebrate game day in style with these cute crochet jersey bottle covers. They make great party decorations, and the bottle cover will keep your beverages just the right temperature. Too funny. Love those. The real question is, what color would yours be? Okay, our next one is a blanket. This is called the Football Lovers Crochet Blanket. Doesn't matter what team you're rooting for, this one would be perfect for the football game, right? Okay, this is another blanket that features the Red Heart Super Saver Ogo, and it looks pretty good size. I'm going to hold this picture up so you can see. This guy's holding the blanket and it looks pretty good size. It looks very simple to make. It's listed as easy, and it does have some color changes in it, but really very minimal. But it definitely does look like a big football. They're certainly having fun holding it on these rocks. It's a very interesting place to watch a football game. Go team! It looks like they're at like a rocky beach. Either way, though, very cool idea for a blanket and perfect for the football player in your life or the football fan. All right, we have one more pattern here, and this is another throw. This is called the Beginner Well-Schooled Throw. And it's basically just a striped blanket that you would do in your team colors. Sporty and Spirited describes this easy crochet throw in Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo. This is another blanket that is listed as a skill level of easy, and it certainly looks it. I mean, it just looks to me like maybe double crochets or even maybe a front loop double crochet. It kind of looked ridged, but it might be just because of going back and forth. Not sure. But it looks very simple to make. And you just make it in your team colors. What are these? Seattle Seahawks, maybe? Whose team colors are these? Okay, so that's going to do it for the Super Bowl slash Team Colors Red Heart Patterns. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it for you. And stay tuned tomorrow because we have more coming from Red Heart. All right, have a great day. Bye bye.